Hi guys, kumusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si na rin tayo ni bell button dun sa baba para updated yung kung meron akong mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa another cover song ni Patrick Quiroz. I'm a huge fan of Patrick. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapakinggan at mapanood to. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Tara, play na natin. So, eto na.
You give me hope,
You by Basi Valdez.
the strength, the will to keep on.
Ang ganda talaga ng boses
No
niya.
one else can make me feel this way. And only you can bring out all the best I can do.
Grabe yung boses yan, no?
I believe you turn the tide and make me feel real good inside. You push me up when I'm about to give up.
Sarap
You're on
pakinggan.
my side when no one seems to listen. And if you go, you know the tears won't help but show.
Galing.
You'll break this heart and tear me apart. And suddenly the madness starts. It's your smile,
Wow.
face, your lips
Oh my
that
goodness.
miss.
Tago sa heart.
Those sweet little eyes stare at me and make me say, I need you through all the way, 'cause it's you who fills the emptiness
Ang
in
galing niya.
me.
Sobrang galing.
Changes everything you see when I know I've got you in
Eh,
me.
bitin. 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 Sobrang galing talaga ni Patrick Quiroz, no? Ang sarap pakinggan talaga ng boses niya. Yung timbre talaga ng boses niya, guys, grabe, no? Talagang nanggagaling sa heart pag kumakanta siya, eh. Napakagaling. Alright, kung nagustuhan niyo to guys, bigyan nyo malaking likes, mag-comment kayo kung meron kang mga request na video na pwede kong gawin dito sa aking channel. Bye po!